Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode we will be assembling part SA-316, the Boiler Ashpan, part 348 and 349. So let's get assembling. Alright, so we're going to be assembling this part this time. So let's go File, New, Assembly MMGS, View, Height, and Origins. We're going to do the Ashpan. Come out and click in. There we go. Beautiful. So unhighlight that again. There we go. We're doing assembly. There we go. And bring out this one, which is going to go this side. Now, there's supposed to be another part in here somewhere. It's supposed to be part 52, I believe. Yeah, 3-52 Boiler Ashpan Damper bracket, I mean. I can't find it anywhere in the drawings. It's got on the list, but I cannot find it. So it might be there somewhere, but it might be just under different number, might be written wrong or something like that. So if I come across it, we'll add to it later, but right now I can't find it. But first off, let's just go into mate. Let me do those holes there. Now I found it. That 8 there is correct. I found where it showed it to one side. Okay, that there matches up. Beautiful. Now if I bring that, oh yes, it can't twirl because it's curved. Yeah, it does have a bit of a lip there, which is worrying. See what happens. I'm not too. I think these are air holes, so I don't think it's a problem. Let me just make sure if I do that, clears it. Yep, that's fine. No, it doesn't actually. Let's try something. That looks good. That looks good. Okay, that looks good. Alright, the assembly of SA-316 part 348 and 349 done. Said part 352, I can't find it at this stage. We'll see what happens. We'll just add in when we find it later on. Gotta go on this side somehow. I don't know how it clips in, but it's there somewhere. But that's the assembly done. Enjoyed the episode, click the like button, comment, subscribe. It's going to be one of the quickest assemblies I've done. Thanks again for everyone's support. I do appreciate it. Everyone take care. I'll catch you then. Remember, thank you very much.